Hello friends, welcome to UpTech CAD Camp, Learning Center for Innovation. My name is Rohit. Starting with video tutorial series of AutoCAD. In our previous video, we have drawn different examples. If you have not watched yet, please do check it out. It is in the I button. For this video tutorial series, you have to download a PDF from our website. Download link is given in description below. So for today's video, first of all, you have to set limits of drawing. So type command limit, enter, and for lower left corner 0 tab 0, enter, and for upper right corner 50 tab 50, enter. In this fashion, we have set limits of drawing. Next, take circle command C, enter, and specify center point of circle 0 tab 0, enter, and for diameter press D, enter, and diameter is 10, enter. Next, again repeat previous command, that is circle command, press space button from keyboard, specify center point of circle 0 tab 0, enter, and for diameter press D, enter, 15, enter. Next, change layer tool from layer toolbar to center layer and take line command L, enter, and specify a center line, vertical center line, and then press escape button. Next, take circle command C, enter, and specify center point of circle 0 tab 0, enter, and diameter is D, enter, 25, enter. Next, change layer tool from layer toolbar to default layer and take circle command C, enter, and specify center point of circle 0 tab 0, enter, and diameter is, for diameter press D, enter, and diameter is 40, enter. Next, again repeat previous command, that is circle command, press space button from keyboard, specify center point of circle, and diameter is D, enter, 5, enter. Next, take line command L, enter, and for tangent point press shift plus right click tangent and specify tangent point, and then second point. Make sure this line is vertical. And then click and then press escape button. Next, take mirror command MI, enter, selection of object. After selection of object, press right click and specify mirror line and then press enter button. Next, take trim tool TR, enter, enter for all, and then selection of object which we want to remove. Next, press escape button. Next, take polar array command. So type array polar, enter, and selection of object, and then press right click, then selection of center point. Number of instances are 12, enter, enter for exit. Next, take trim tool TR, enter, enter for all, select region which we don't want, and then press escape button. Next, change layer tool from layer toolbar to center layer, and then take arc command A, enter, and for center point C, enter, and specify center point of arc. Start point is at 25.7 radius, enter, and second point. Next, change layer tool from layer toolbar to default layer and take circle command C, enter, and specify center point of circle radius is 9, enter. Next, take trim tool TR, enter for all, selection of object. After selection of object, press right click. Next, take polar array command. So type array polar, enter, and selection of object. After selection of object, press right click and then specify center point of array, and then number of instances are 6, and then press enter for exit. Next, take trim tool TR, enter for all, and then select region which we don't want. And then press escape button from keyboard. So in this fashion we have drawn this drawing. If you like this video, please do hit like button. If you have any questions regarding, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my level best to solve it. Do hit subscribe button for more such cool stuff. And I want to thank you all for watching. Bye bye. Take care.